Hello, this is Kali Keshav. Welcome to a new video on seismic analysis. I have already set up my structure. So now I will go for check for load pattern. Then here we will go to seismic analysis and modify lateral loads. We will only assign in x and y direction. So according to this, seismic coefficient have been set and response reduction factor also. Now this has been assigned and it been analyzed. You can see analyzing have been started. So this is the deformed shaped and it has already started designing. Each and every column and beam will be inspected and correct section will be assigned. It will take time. So 7 concrete frame have been deducted as. So we will click on yes to continue. Redesigning process have been started. So this is the design section. You can see the longitudinal reinforcement on the 3D tab. We will click on one of the beam section. Right click on beam section. It will show the axial shear force, axial force, bending moment, etc. Section dimension. Click on OK to exit. Now we will click on one of the column and see the details as we have seen in earlier video. Now this is seismic analysis have been done with the IS code method. Now you can also check the shear force and bending moment diagram by this window member force diagram. You can see the shape of bending moment. So also we can check the summary report on the left window by clicking the summary report option. So this way we have designed by seismic analysis. Now we will jump to response spectrum method. For this, first we will unlock the design and we will check whether seismic load have been applied or not, and rest values we will take the same as taken previous. Now we will go to define and then function, then response spectrum. From this we will select IS1893 for the reference code. I will click on add new code, add new function. We will assign the function name and the seismic coefficient we will change as we have taken earlier for the Bengaluru city condition. Now we will click on OK. You can see response spectrum have been assigned. Now for this we will set the load cases. First we will check the acceleration unit. It is in mm per second square. Now we will see load cases, and here we will assign response spectrum in the load case name. Also select the load case type, and for this acceleration load type acceleration in x and y direction, we will assign scale factor as calculated earlier by Ig by 2R formula, which is equals to 1633.5. Similarly, we will add for y direction, which will name as U2. Now rest values we will take as given. Click on OK to exit. Now go to analyze menu and then load case set to load case to run. Here we won't run wind, dead and live loads. Rest we will click on run now. It is analyzing the same. You can see the deform shape on the 3D tab. The deformation values have been shown on the yellow box. Now we will design. Go to concrete frame design, then view whether it is IS456 have been taken or not. Now we will start designing. It will take time. It will design for different load cases combination. You have to wait for some more time. Now we can see the design have been done, and we can check the design section and loads, force, shear force, bending moment on the column and beam as shown in the 3D tab. Now we can see the summary report. On the report tab, here we can see the design values and other reports. Now we will jump to time history analysis. For this we will unlock the design. Now we will start time history analysis. First we will check whether seismic values have been or not. Here we will assign only in x direction, rest values we will take as taken earlier. Now we will go to define menu, then function, then time history. This will open a tab from which we have to choose from the file, then give the time history function name. We will also see the load cases have been selected and response spectrum have been deleted or not. And now we will, as we have browsed the file, now we will start designing. You can see design they have been started. You can see the deformed shape have been generated. Redesigning process have been started. The design have been done. Window we have been open about the detail of the design, and similarly as we have seen in the earlier designing, the reports and the section detail, force and reinforcements can be seen by right clicking on the beam or column. Also we can check the force diagram, shear force diagram or bending moment diagram from the force design member force diagram window by clicking on shear 22 and moment 33. This is the bending moment diagram. And also report we can check on the left window. You can see the summary report have been generated. Thank you. This is for seismic analysis design.